I was using this walking pad, but it started overheating, so I purchased this one on Facebook Marketplace, and it all works. Running on it was fine, but when I tried to walk on it, like I was doing with the walking pad, all of a sudden bogged down. It would lose power. So I got a new controller. I swapped it out. I was still having the same issues. I said, the hell with that. Returned the controller, and now I just bought a new motor. This is the new motor. Before you do anything else, make sure you unplug it. I gotta get it out of there so I can have more room to work on it. Much better. Let's see what the heck I got in here. Let's get the old one out. Let's put that one in. First thing we have to do is loosen the belt. And I'm using this. And just keep track of the number of rotations you do on each side, because you want to do it evenly. My Allen key is too short to fit from here to here, so I'm removing the bottom cover. Now I can loosen this. On the opposite side, I want this roller to come free from here so that I can pull it forward, get this belt off of here, free this roller to eventually fit the motor out through here. You see what I mean later. I skipped a step because I had already done it, but you need to remove this cover. We have to unplug all these wires. See the black and red one here, and then it also has these two blue wires. One connects right here, and the other one connects to the power switch. Now they're all disconnected. I gotta remove the zip tie and these two nuts here. After breaking it loose with the wrench, I'm using a small ratchet to remove the rest. After removing the two nuts, the motor just dropped. Now, I need some wiggle room to remove this belt from here. Now I need some room here to get this motor out. So that's why we wanted to loosen this up. So you can pull it out. A strong hand. Spin out just like that. Out with the old, in with the new. With the roller still out of the way, I slipped it in here. Now I'm gonna hold it in place while I put that screw in there. So with one bolt in, wrap the belt around this pulley here. Did the same thing here. Now I'm gonna move the roller back into where it's supposed to be. And got the roller in place. Now I'll just hold it up like that and put the bolt in. And then here, connect red to the white one, black to the black one. And one of the blue ones will go in this connector here. The other blue one will go to the kill switch. Now everything's back in. All I have left to do is tighten the belt again. Oh, and now it's fine. The little red light is blinking. The treadmill's working.